Top 10 largest straw handling and baling machines in the world. In modern agriculture, speed and precision are the keys to high productivity. Today, we will explore the 10 largest, strongest, and most industrial straw handling machines dominating the world. From balers producing 600, 700 kilo bales, to stacking systems reaching 7 to 8 meters high, to straw transporters 5 meters long that can carry nearly 20 bales in a single trip. These are not just machines. They are the culmination of heavy-duty engineering, automation, and 21st century agricultural sophistication. You are about to enter the world of machines that can swallow entire fields in just 1 hour. CLAAS QUADRANT T3400, the king of industrial balers in Europe. The CLAAS QUADRANT 3400 is the flagship of European balers. Compression chamber. Stretched 20 kraftstoffcentimeters, producing 550 kilo bales.
Extremely dense and uniform.
High-speed pistons handle 60-70 bales per hour quietly. High-capacity cutting knives shred straw before compression for solid. Compact bales. CMOS control system automatically adjusts pressure, time, and moisture control in real time. It is ideal for European farms ranging from 500 to 3, producing bales nearly identical in size and density. Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP II, the high-density straw monster. The Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP II produces 650 700 kilo bales thanks to high-density press, increasing compression by 70% over regular balers. Piston operation at 46 cycles per minute, achieving enormous processing speed. Wide feed conveyor, handling 2 to 3 times more straw than average machines. This German-engineered machine reduces transport costs by 30%, carrying more per container due to denser bales. A true symbol of power, durability, and precision in agricultural machinery. Vermeer BC 460, high-end automatic straw collector. The Vermeer BC 460 is an automatic straw collection machine featuring handles 3 to 5 large bales simultaneously, each weighing 500-600 kg, processing speed, 120 bales per hour, suitable for large farms. Powerful hydraulic system, lifting heavy bales stably without shaking. Heavy-duty steel frame, built for continuous operation without failure. It acts like a giant robotic arm, collecting straw and stacking secure towers efficiently. Replacement model. Vermeer certified 1200 self-propelled Baler. Engine, 200 HP, Cummins Stage 5. Bale diameter, 19 160 cm. Max bale weight, 1. Field speed, up to 93 km. Wide cabin with camera monitoring, automated bale formation steps. The Arcusin AutoStack FSX is a fully automatic bale gathering and stacking machine. Fully automated workflow. Grab, rotate, place. All high capacity. Can handle 100 to 120 bales per hour, depending on field conditions and bale size. Floating and single-turn pickup mechanism ensures bales are lifted without dragging across the ground. Minimizing crop damage. Powerful hydraulic and electronic systems allow for stable and safe stacking of tall bales. Reduces labor significantly while increasing efficiency in straw. SP3255 Self-Propelled Wagon, Giant Straw Transporter by Vermeer. The SP3255 is a self-propelled straw transporter, integrating collection, lifting, and stacking. 150 bales per hour, each weighing 500-600 kg. Vehicle length. With automatic hydraulic lifting and clamps, controlled via joystick and color display. Precise operation without stepping down. Automatic stacking forms. Towers 3 to 5 layers high. Widely used in North American farms. It increases productivity and reduces labor while maintaining straw quality. ProAG 4SR Plus, industrial-grade automated bale stacker. The ProAG 4SR Plus is an automated bale stacker for large-scale straw and hay operations. It rotates and places bales precisely, stacking up to 10 tons per load. Its inclined bed design and robust hydraulics allow smooth operation while reducing labor. Fast, powerful, and precise, it transforms how large farms handle straw and hay. New Holland Big Baler 1290 Plus. American durability meets smart compression. Stöttermeterweist, producing 550 kilo bales. Operating speed. Smart density to med technology automatically adjusts compression. Reducing untied bales, advanced cutting system handles wet straw or tough hay efficiently. Modern cabin with suspension seat and 360 degrees. Reliable and low maintenance. Ideal for large-scale fields of thousands of hectares. Massey Ferguson Hesston 2270 XD. Maximum compression in the 500-600 kilo range. High-pressure compression chamber and pistons create 500 suckus 600 kg bales. Stackable 4 layers high without collapsing. Power cutter knives shred straw finely, increasing compression by 15%. Operating speed 25-30 km. Continuous processing. Cabin displays compression. Cutter and tie status suited for large dairy farms and major cereal fields. John Deere L34NR, the Green Giant. Compression chamber. Producing uniform 500-600 kilo bales. Powerful cutting knives, handle wet straw and tough hay. SmartLink. With tractor, automatically adjusts load and speed. Cabin with 360-degree cameras. Moisture and compression monitoring. High efficiency for industrial scale farms. Krone Bale collector and stacker. All-in-one straw collection and stacking machine. Collects and stacks 3 to 7 bales in one pass. Ground scanning sensors pick up bales precisely. Even tilted, modern cabin reduces labor by 70%. Hydraulic system lifts, rotates, and stacks straw accurately. Operates continuously. Perfect for large industrial farms. Krone collector and stacker represents high-level automation in straw handling, proving that productivity comes from both mechanics and intelligent sensing technology. These 10 machines are not just heavy machinery. They are the culmination of technology, automation, and engineering excellence. From balers producing nearly 700 kilos bales to 15-meter-long straw collectors, all optimize each step. Gathering, lifting, compressing, tying, and stacking accurately. They reduce errors, increase efficiency, and save labor, showcasing how industrial agriculture operates like a mechanized army. Observing them in action, one can appreciate their power, speed, and precision, proving that modern agriculture is the perfect blend of engineering, technology, and human intelligence.